Here are a couple of pairs of old pants. Now, I've mentioned a couple of times that I was going to patch all my old jeans and keep using them, and then I was going to cut them all up and use them for other things. It turns out I've already patched a few of them, and I have these two pair, and I just got to the point where I was tired of patching things. And Chuck in Texas has come up with a great idea that I'm thinking about, and we're probably going to see a video or so on, making a backpack out of a pair of jeans. And by the way, thank you, Chuck, for the donation of the hand crank and the spoked hand wheel. The hand crank is going on the 1588, which is, it's resting right now, but it is the machine I use for the veterans. There's the Pledge of Allegiance. So that's where that's going, and the spoked hand wheel will go on the next machine. I really appreciate the contribution to Quilts for Veterans, so thank you. And also appreciate your idea. Now, I had, many years ago, made a regular bag out of jeans. So now what I'm going to be doing is thinking about how to adapt how I did that to a backpack idea. So the teddy bear pattern, that I have to weave the fabric, and I have bedrolls and shawls and all this other stuff on the looms before I get to the teddy bear fabric. I may be able to do this before that, simply because it may be easier than I think. I have to just think about it. But thanks, Chuck, for the great idea, and we'll see what we can come up with for a backpack out of jeans.